another gambler, and the O is green, the arrow, to the heart, the end of the road, eternal continuation of life, yet no cycle, only pain, ceaseless, agonizing, sweet pain, and anxiety, adrenaline in ecstasy, ecstasy in pain, maddening vice, yet comforting. Poem of life runs such along lines, along such lines. Veins of water red, blood blue, there's hope, hope for nothingness, something, but not for us. The land shrouded in mystery, the land shrouded in mystery, the veil covering its secrets, whose existence is only known as like dunes in the vast desert, in the infinity of dangerous beauty, they, in fragments nourish the imagination of the traveller, battered, bruised and burned by the unforgiving sun. Here he may find inspiration through exploration, for erroneous is the thought of those who believe to possess its secrets, for they do not understand, do not feel the mystery, the supernatural, perhaps the arcane, that the thousands of ever-recurring sandstorms over millennia in number unknown have concealed from those who are blind. For that land is not for the scientist, but for the explorer, for him who dares go beyond that which he may grasp, for him who dares discover and imagine, for the creator, the dreamer, the writer, for he is worthy of the secrets that to those unwilling to listen shall remain to all eternity unknown. Aken, traveller, companion, guide of souls, he shall pass, Ba, to the Duat, and there the righteous one, Ma'at, shall see. I shall bow to the embalmer, and Hathor, seductress, enchantress, witness, for I shall not be granted afterlife in the Aru, for my heart is a burden too heavy for the scale. There I shall meet the one I praise, whose sting I await, for she is my patron. Serket shall then decide my fate. Huet. Ravens, ravens in the grey sky turning black, cold isolation, thought of unexperienced feelings and sensations. Nothing is fulfilling, for nothing can be, nothing but the urge to write, nothing but what remains when all's gone, the omen, the black flower, for she is ever reliable, always there in the most obscure corner of your heart, the valley no one ever ventured into, dancing amidst the fire of truth and pain, for it is all that remains, resisting time and decay.